Hey guys, how are you? Um, I'm just talking. So I co-washed my hair yesterday because the Bantu Nana that you saw in our first video, I used jam in it and my hair was really like crunchy and dry and it was disgusting. So I came home yesterday from my cousin's house and I was like, the first thing I had to do was co-wash my hair because it was horrible, but I didn't need shampoo or anything, so I just washed out the jam and I did like chunky twists, and I could show you guys one. Crazy. I just did like these chunky twists on it. Some are big, some are little. I don't know. Just to keep it under this wrap for the night. I'm here watching cartoons, and I just ate this whole plate full of chips because I'm trying to be healthy with a bottle of water. But I missed my cousin. I wanted to stay over there for longer, but I had to come home because I thought I worked today, but then they said I didn't need to come into work, so now I'm just sitting here watching cartoons. Yeah, so I don't know. It's a little boring. I'm trying to like I'm trying to get these like effects on my head, but it's like not detecting my head for some reason. Ah, there it is. I don't know where'd it go. Where'd it go? I don't know. See, this is making me upset. So it's raining on my parade right now. Raining on my parade. All right. This was just like a little update thing. I'm really excited about this channel. I hope we get subscribers. Or else I'm gonna cry and just be really sad. I know I don't talk like I don't talk about the most interesting things, like me watching cartoons. But I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. So I'm just gonna stop this video because it makes no sense. All right, bye guys.